Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aquarius air sign, this is weekly reading, this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. Guys, this is general reading. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Aquarius, what are the messages for you and what's going on? What are the messages for Aquarius? Listen. Queen of Wands, Knight of Cups, the Empress, and Ace of Pentacles under the deck. I think you are focusing on yourself. You are taking your control back, Aquarius. Yes, you are no more dependent on anyone, especially emotionally. And someone is coming towards you. For some, it could be a brand new person, and this person have a lot of love for you, and they want to offer their cup of love to you. But you are taking your control back. This time, your total focus is on yourself only, and there are new opportunities coming, especially in your career. In relationship wise, there is a new person is coming. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Queen of Cups, Eight of Cups, and Justice. I think you cut off this person from your life. In recent past, maybe you walked away, even though you have strong feelings towards this person. For some, third party involved in this connection. For some, there is no stability. That's why you made this decision. You walked away, but you still have strong emotions towards this person. But you did it. Then present Ace of Cups, the Hierophant, and Eight of Pentacles. Now your total focus is on yourself. You are doing self-love. You are very committed to your work. You are working hard towards your goals. And you want to achieve your goals. That's why you are working hard on your abundance, on your finances, because Eight of Pentacles. Even though the process is slow, but it is stable. And for some, a brand new person is coming into your life to offer commitment. Yes, I am saying a new person is coming into your life. For some, maybe only one person. It depends on your situation. But I am saying for some, it could be past person or it could be new person. Someone is coming to offer commitment. Then future, Four of Swords, Two of Swords, and Two of Cups. I think you are at some crossroads because you have options and you have to choose. But you are unable to make any decision because you are indecisive right now. At the same time, you are taking rest and you are doing meditation to heal yourself completely, but thinking about something a lot. And for some, maybe the new person could be your soulmate and it's a mutual love. So could be a soulmate. For some, it could be a past person depending on your situation. That's why you are indecisive. You have to make some decision. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Libra, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So Aquarius, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity. Two of Swords, Chariot with Queen of Cups. I think they're at some crossroads. And maybe they're juggling between you and their career. They're juggling between their head over their heart. But they're very slow. They're in very slow moving energy. So let's see their current feelings and intentions towards you, Aquarius. What's a jumping? You are very caring and emotional person, Aquarius. think they did hurt you in past, yes, but they want rebirth in this connection. There is one type of ending between you and your person. Yeah, they have romantic feelings for you, Aquarius. There is apologies coming, text is coming. So I think they are not expressing their feelings to you. Maybe they are having hard time to express their feelings, but they do love you, but they are not showing. And they are thinking about you very positively. They are seeing as their empress or emperor, but ace of swords, but they want to express their true feelings to you, but they are having hard time to express their feelings because king of swords with ace of swords. One time they want to communicate with you, but another time they are holding back. So let's see their intentions, then we will get more clarity. But they have regrets, definitely they have regrets. Scorpio. The person involved in this connection could be Scorpio. Yes, lots of communication is coming. Yes, they do love you. Maybe in past they have having hard time to express their feelings to you, but now they are going to be express their feelings. And for some, you both are in long distance relationship, living in different cities, countries, or states. They will make action very soon, and they will make some decision regarding this relationship, and they will express their love to you. And yes, because 8 of Wands, lots of communication is coming. They will communicate and you will receive back and forth communication from your person and very soon, and they will express their love to you because Ace of Cups is here. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Aquarius. Ten of Pentacles. With Magician. Yes, for some they are manifesting you. Queen of Cups and Six of Cups and the Lovers. They do love you guys. For some maybe they are not expressing, they are not showing it, but they are thinking about you 24/7, and they do love you, and it's a mutual love, and the person involved in this connection could be Gemini. Maybe your person is very strong emotionally. That's why they're hiding their emotions from you. It's your card and it's your reading, Aquarius. I think you still have hopes on this connection. King of Pentacles. I think there is stability is coming and you are focusing on your finances and career. There is love and it's a mutual love. You do love this person also. So let's see mutual. Maybe for some you are in some confusion. Yeah, Six of Cups. It's a soulmate connection between you and your person. And yeah, there are some disturbances, arguments between you and your person, but you both are thinking about each other a lot. For some, you both have some ego problems also. Yes, but there will communication coming. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Aquarius. Decision time. Third party involved. I can't give you what you need. I have too much going on my life. Finances and career, and I have regrets. So decision time, third party involved. I can't give you what you need. I have too much going on my life. Finances and career, and I have regrets. So these are the messages from your person end. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Here third party means friends, family, and other man, other woman could be. Believe in the impossible, blue moon. So if you want to achieve anything, or if you not believing it, this is the message. Believe in the impossible. Be bold and make the first move, cardinal moon. So if you want to make a move towards your person, if you are in separation, so if you're waiting for a message from universe, so this is the message for you. Be bold and make the first move. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.